Hello students, welcome back to online class. So students, take out your social science book. Today we'll finish the pending chapter, that is chapter number 4 of geography, globesat maps. So turn to page 114. How to find a direction. An easy and quick way to find a direction is by facing the rising sun or with the help of the pole star. So to find a direction, it becomes very easy when we stand near the pole star or when we are in the position of the sun in the morning. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If we stand facing the sun in the morning, then we face the east. So that is why we come to know that which direction we are going if we are standing to the face of the sun. Because we know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The west is towards our back. That we know, east, west, north, south. These are opposite, isn't it or not? If there is east, west will be behind. Got it? The west is our back. The left hand points towards the north and the right hand towards the south. If north is this one, then south will be here. A magnetic compass is also used to find the north. The needle of the magnetic compass always points towards the north-south direction. This compass is called the mariner's compass, that is used by mariners or seamen to find the direction while sailing. So the compass which is which has the north, east, west, north, south direction is called the mariner's compass. This compass is used in water because in water we do not know direction by our own. It looks all the same, isn't it? That is why this mariner's compass is used. The pole star is located vertically above the North Pole. In the northern hemisphere, the constellation known as the Great Bear keeps revolving around the pole star. The two pointer stars of the Great Bear always point towards the pole star. Suppose this is the Earth. The pole star will be here. If we stand here, then if we see it this way, then we know the direction. Because the Saptarishi, I have told you that there is a Saptarishi and all other stars which makes in this way, this angle, isn't it or not? So it is called the Great Bear, which keeps revolving in the pole star, and by that only we know, yes, this is a pole star. Clear? Now, conventional signs and symbols. Maps are used for recording and showing a variety of information such as political boundaries, relief, features, climatic conditions, distribution of resources, population, means of transport, social and cultural features, cities and towns, etc. So, in a map, the many symbols have been used. How? I'll tell you. Suppose this is a map of India. Okay, suppose this is a map of India. Suppose this is a map of India. Suppose this is Delhi. Okay, then suppose this is the gas station. Okay, this is the gas station. Then this is suppose the coal mine. This is the coal mine. So I have used different symbols, isn't it? By this I can know that it is the depot. It is a depot. Okay, then this is the mines. Clear? Then this is the state, isn't it? So in this way we can know we are using symbols. There is not enough space on the map to show the actual size and shape of features such as mountains, peaks, rivers, lake, bridges, dams, forest, temple, churches, railway tracks and airports. However, a map without these features will be less informative. Thus, different colors, signs, symbols and letterings are used to present the information on the map. To understand the information given on the map, it is necessary to learn and follow the signs and symbols used in it. These signs and symbols keep the map clean and thus makes it easy to read. So if we write here depot, again here mines, then it will be congested, isn't it or not? That is why the signs and symbols and different colors are used so that we can see easily and we can get each and every information. There is an agreement among many countries of the world about the common use of the signs, symbols and colors. For example, blue is now, like in every country there is an agreement what color should be used for water, what color should be used for forest. Okay. For example, blue is always used to show water bodies. So where in a globe where you see blue color, it means the blue is water. And green is used for plains. Thus, these signs and symbols are called conventional signs and symbols. Clear? The information shown on the map can only be read and understood by those who know its language, which include features like scale, direction, colors, signs and symbols. So can you see, these are the signs and symbols, isn't it? These are the signs and symbols. Suppose this is the symbol of temple, this is the symbol of fort, red color, this orange color, then this is the green color forest. So these things are used in map, and this is called the conventional symbols. Now sketch. Suppose we want to help a student in a class to locate and reach the neighborhood bookshop. We would draw a rough diagram of roads to show where to turn and which landmark to look out of in order to reach the bookshop. With this rough diagram, the new student can reach the bookshop easily, even though the exact distance and direction are not mentioned. Such a diagram, which is drawn without measuring the distance between the various places, is called a sketch. Suppose if we want to help a person, okay, but we don't know the actual distance, at least by drawing sketch map, okay, we can say yes, this book stall is located in that place. It may be 2 kilometers away from this place. Plan. Sometimes we want to draw an accurate map of a very small area like that of a house or a building. For example, if you and your family want to shift to a new house, it would be useful to have an accurate map of the house. This is also called the layout plan. So nowadays what happened, many people when they are constructing a house, they are having map with the engineers to draw it well, to get well provision in the house, which is called a layout plan. This layout plan will show the length and breadth of each room in the house. Then yes, I suppose I am engaging an engineer to build my house. I can ask, yes, my room, how much it will be big? I need my room, I need my personal room to be bigger than the drawing room. So he'll give us that measure, isn't it? So this is called the plan. A plan is always drawn according to the scale. Really, a map represents a large area, so it is drawn on a small scale. 1 centimeter on a map may represent 100 kilometers on the ground. On the other hand, a plan represents a very small area and is therefore drawn on a large scale. 1 centimeter on a plan may represent just 1 meter on the ground. So in a plan map, what happens, 1 centimeter on the map, it will be 1 meter on the ground. Okay. Thus, to sum up, we can say a map shows either a large area without details or a small area in detail. A plan shows a very small area in great detail. A sketch is a rough diagram drawn without a scale. So this is the difference between scale and a sketch and plan. In sketch we used to draw roughly, but in plan we used to make it plan and give the minute details. Okay, so this is all about the chapters, children. So read it carefully. Till then, thank you.